welcome to our grandma's vlog. Hope you like the video. Enjoy.
Good morning, YouTube listeners. I hope everyone is doing well. Well, today I'm on my way to my clinic to have my 6 months lab work. It seems that when we're old, that's all we do. Go to the doctor, go get your MRI done, go get your bone density, go get your pap smear, go get your lab work. That's how it is nowadays, now that we're old. In fact, some of my friends are complaining that as soon as they hit a certain age, maybe a retirement age, all they do is visit their doctors. I guess it's normal for everyone to see their doctors, but it's more when you're older now. But that's kind of I have this coffee so I can drink it right after my lab work, but I have to remember not to drink it before I have my lab work done. I was looking at it, I was gonna sip on it, but I'm glad I remembered that I have to have my lab work. Anyway, the clinic is so close to my house. You see those houses on the left? Those are expensive homes. They're probably about 700,000 to $1 million. Expensive. So anyway, I'm surprised this road is not heavy traffic this morning. But again, it's already 8:30. Maybe at 7 it was heavy traffic. Last Monday, a lot of people work from home nowadays, especially after pandemic or during pandemic. A lot of people work remote, and after that, people. This guy's backing up. Watch yourself. Anyway, after the pandemic, companies allowed their employees to work at home 2 to 3 days a week, but they're slowly bringing them back in the office. It's actually better to work from home. I worked from home when I was working. This drive is really nice. This is, see those plants? So nice. And this is Tanger Outlet. And this is where the clinic is. I think LabCorp right there is the clinic. That's where the clinic is. Is over there. National Harbor. That smell of coffee is really good. I can finally drink it now. I'm done with my lab work and I can't wait to get home because my husband is cooking breakfast. I can't wait what he has surprised for me. On my way home, there's Tangier. There's the MGM Casino. We're very close to my house. We're about 3 minutes away from the house. And you can see Virginia on the other side. All the way out there, that's Virginia. And that's the nursing home. That's where my husband goes to bingo sometimes. So this is my neighborhood. This is how it looks like. Look at those crepe myrtle. They're so beautiful. Make sure that I don't tire myself. Like last Friday, I did too much. I guess 2-3 hours of gardening. Leisurely gardening is good. Maybe make some succulent arrangement is tiring. Even unboxing of 64 succulents is tiring. I'm gonna order some more succulents, just $1 a piece succulent, but I have to order 64. So that means $64 and it's free shipping from Alex Succulents. By the way, he's on Facebook if you want to order. His garden is called Alex's Succulents. The price is pretty decent, I think, compared to the other ones. This is my neighborhood. I'm not sure why they have different plants on the sidewalk. Some places they have myrtle, crepe myrtle, and here they have all this. I don't know what kind of plants are these. This must be, I don't know what kind of plant, but they're all the same here. And then somebody planted crepe myrtle here. Maybe this is not planted by the county. Maybe I could do the same because I like crepe myrtle. I'm gonna call the county and see if I could plant those crepe myrtle because my sidewalk is not really good. The plants there are I only have one plant there and it's dying. dying. Actually, I wanna trim it, but my neighbor said, "Don't do it because it's not yours." But according to the county, I can trim it. I'm not cutting it. I'm just trimming it. But anyway, I'll show you my street. This is my street. My street. All these trees are overgrown because this neighborhood was built, I think, in the 60s. And here's my ugly tree right there. I like parking far from my house because of I want to make use of the porch. So I park my car as close as possible to the sidewalk. Hey, this is my property, so I can do whatever I want.
If you like the video of my grandma, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Bye.